Hello my friends and welcome back. So for today's video, we are reviewing air purifier system. So this is the FA500 by, let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. Now right away we see they provide you with a manual. This is remote controlled as well. We'll show you everything up close better when we unbox this. It is shipped with protection. And this is it. So it has a nice handle, as you guys can see, for carrying. I'll show you guys it up close. But this is just the unit, so you guys can see. All right, let me show you some features up close. All right, this is the unit. Please remove the filter PE bag before use. So that is under in here. Everything is center touch, on and off, fan speed. 1, 2, 4, 8 hours, low, medium, high. Timer right here. Sleep and reset. Peel this off. So the filter is right in here, and you can just pull this down. Make sure you pull this off and take the bag off, so this whole bag comes off. So this is a specialty filter, and this places right back in just like this. So again, this is the controller. You have on-off switch, timer, speed, sleep, and child lock. There's a little plastic piece. You pull that out, and that gets the battery connected, and you're good to go. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it on. So this is under low, and what it does, it pulls in air the whole front. This illuminates. That's the fan sound on medium. Now this blows the air out. And I can feel the draft being pulled in. Now let's do, well, I'll let you guys listen. Now on high. And that's really pulling in air now. You got timer, and it lights up right on here, so you know what you're setting, which is really cool. You got sleep and reset. So now it's on sleep mode. To lock it, child lock, you press both of these buttons at the same time, right here. And then the lock symbol lights up. Press them again to unlock it. Overall, very nice. It's gonna work great for purifying very, very, very large areas. On low, there's just a small little hum. On medium, it kind of sounds like the volume of a refrigerator when a fridge is on. and then on high. Overall, very nice. It's gonna work great. Now let's show you so the remote works great as well. Let's see from a distance. Yep, works great. Let's see even further. Oh wow, we're really far and it works great.